Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install application on Android phone. Let's get to it. First of all, you have to open your Play Store. Then choose the app that you would like to install, and you can search the name of the app by clicking on this search button. And for example, I'm going to install TikTok Lite. Alright, and you can click on install after you find the application that you want to install. Just click on install and you have to wait until it's 100%. And you have to make sure that you have a good internet connection to install the application. And now the TikTok is being installed in our Android phone, and you have to wait for the process. Okay guys, and now the TikTok Lite application has been installed in our Android phone, and if you want to check it, you can check it on your home screen. And this is the TikTok app that we have just installed from the Google Play Store. Alright guys, that's how we can install application on Android phone. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye!